2010 F-150. My blower motor selection is not working real well. In the beginning, it was just one was like didn't work at all. Then 2 was not working, and now 1, 2, and 3 don't work. And the only way I get any type of heat or cooling is if I have it on 4, or else the blower motor just doesn't work at all. Open the glove box, push in on those 2 tabs. So you push it in right here, you should see your resistor right here. Your resistor bolt 1 and bolt 2 right there should be 8mm. 8mm with a swivel on it, an extension, so I can just kind of loosen it from back here. Push up on that clip with 1 finger. Hear it click. Just getting in there with the ratchet and an 8mm will work fine. This is it. Pretty much looks exactly the same as the AutoZone part that I've received. Part number. Resistors are either encased or they have some type of coating on them, but it's alright. Hopefully it works. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. Yes. Awesome. Done and done.